So why is it that the Forex spreads are sometimes tighter or wider in general across the market? Now, there's a host of reasons, to be honest, and let's just mention some of those. One, typically it may just be because of a particular market event. It may be a very volatile time, such as Brexit, so naturally spreads may be wider. Or if we're heading towards a very key economic event, such as recently we had the Brexit amendment vote, so a number of brokers across the industry were widening spreads with relation to GBP, any GBP instrument. The other case may be volumes may be light. So if volumes are light, typically, obviously, the liquidity is very much low. So the spreads are going to widen on that fact. When there's much volatility in the market coming in, there's plenty of people trading, a lot of volume, then essentially the spreads will tighten. They should naturally tighten across the industry. Now, in terms of the trading days, now, obviously the market opens on the Sunday evening. When the market opens on a Sunday, spreads are naturally much wider. They're much wider than your typical Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'll get on to Monday in a moment, but they tend to be wider because there still isn't that full amount of volume coming into the market. You know, it's just Asia's opened, it's late in the UK, the full volume doesn't come, and bear in mind, most of the traded volume actually comes during London hours, and obviously rolling over into New York or US hours. So that takes its time on Sunday, so spreads will naturally be wider. That will even continue to be the case on Monday as market participants gradually come back to their desks in Europe, start to position themselves still on the Monday ahead of the coming week. So from Tuesday noon, I'd say Eastern time is when we see that full amount of volume coming into the market. So the full amount of volume on that Tuesday as the US players are well and truly at their desks ready to trade. So those spreads should tighten then. On Wednesday, we do see a dip in volatility, so you may actually see the spreads widening, and that is all to do with rollover. So essentially each respective currency, obviously whether it's euro, dollar, obviously the pair, each related currency has their own obviously interest rates that are set by central banks. So the overnight interbank rate, so these are essentially the costs for holding those positions, so that being called the Forex rollover. So that's why we may see a dip in volatility typically or historically on a Wednesday, so naturally spreads would be wider. And then Thursday, usually fine. Friday, again, spreads may start to widen as volatility subsides heading into the weekend, understandably. So in terms of full detail, guys, we have got a broker comparison via the website on Daily Forex. So do check and make sure that you do have the best broker that's offering you not just obviously the tighter spread, but the service, etc. We've got our top brokers there on the Daily Forex website. So other than that, guys, thank you very much.